Evening, everybody. Welcome to Arkansas History. Just want to go over a couple things with you for the week. So let's go to the course calendar and take a look just real quickly. The first thing I want to point out here is that we, of course, are in week number 6, chapter number 8. And this week is your Arkansas History resources that are due. And then, of course, next week you have an exam over chapters 5 through 9. This week I'll look at the Arkansas History resources just for 1 second. Let's go to the other resources tab and click on the instructions here that we have. This is your instruction: develop a resource list for use of students. You must have these items. You must have 5 internet sites, 3 published works, 3 museums, and 2 events or activity sites. So when I say internet sites, they have to be 5 sites that would be valuable to other students. And you have to write a 1 or 2 paragraph evaluation of the sites. And when I talk about sites, it could be something like the Arkansas Encyclopedia of History. Something along those lines is that's what I'm referring to when I'm talking about an internet site. And so make sure that they're good sites. If you have a question about a site, please let me know. On your published works, it could be a book, it could be a magazine, it could be anything along those lines. Again, pick things that are credible. Don't use things that have no value, or most people would view them as being not relevant. And then you define 3 museums instead of Arkansas dealing with some aspect of Arkansas history. Fill name of the museum, location, and the website address. If you found the museum on the internet, please cite it as if you had visited it. So talk about actually going there. Again, 1 or 2 paragraph evaluation. Cite why or how do you think this site will be of value to other interest. And then finally, events and our activity site. And I want to talk about this one just for a second because a lot of times this gives students problems. An event site would be something like, for instance, if there was a website for Beanfest, which is in, of course, Mountain View, Arkansas. Or if there was a site for A Live for a Time in Solomon Springs, Arkansas, for something along the lines of Dogwood Days. Make sure, though, that whatever site that you use, it is associated with an activity or an event. It's not just a general site. And again, it has to have something to do with Arkansas history. And a lot of times students have an issue with those 2 aspects of it. It's a site for an event or an activity. It cannot be a museum website. It has to be an actual event, an activity, a festival, something along those lines. And again, a 1 or 2 paragraph evaluation of the website. This is pretty simple to do, but a lot of times students don't follow these directions, and so they'll lose points because they don't follow the directions. Make sure you do everything that this says. Again, if you have any questions about anything, please let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. One other thing about this week, I'm going to be grading your historical quarterly reviews. I'll be working on those next couple of days. And on Wednesday of this week or Thursday, I'll post another video talking about the good things and also any issues with the reviews as a general rule of thumb going forward. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Hope you have a great week, and I'll speak with you soon.